Hey everyone, it's Marla, and today's demo is the zipper pouch. One of the top products that 31 has to offer. Super functional, super strong, and what I love about it is that you can wipe it clean. Inside has a laminated interior, and it's in a nice sturdy canvas material. It can fold up nice and small if you need to use it later, but when you're using it, you're gonna fit so many things inside. Use this as a great quick little mini diaper changing station. It's great for art supplies, hair products. You can even fit a full-size piece of paper inside. It's pretty large. Like I said, great all-around bag. The current pattern that you're seeing is saltwater shells, and you can find all of the newest patterns at ilovebigbags143.com. You can even play around with the personalization studio to see what your bag would look like with your own personalization. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you later.